Okay, let's start. Now, if you want to do this wall elevations, we'll import the CAD plan. We'll go for top view, go for create, go for shapes, line. So in this line, we'll draw the outsource of this. We will on the snap, just draw it. Okay, and now you say yes. And now go for perspective view. Now go for extrude and give the values. So now you got this back panel. You can see this now. Okay, and again you go for front view, go for wireframe mode, go for create, go for geometry, take a box, now on the snap and draw a box. Now go for modify, on this height you will give the value of it. And off this snap and bring this up frame. See? Again. Now if you have to do this boxes, go for create, go for shapes, take a rectangle and draw a rectangle. Now go for modify, go for rectangular rendering, enable and render, enable in U4, keep it for rectangular, and then this you will keep it for 1.5 inch, and this depth you will keep it for 9 inches. Now if you have to assign this properly, right click, editable spline, click on this plus mark, go for segment, select this and move this up. Now shift, take a distance, now go for top, bring this up for, go for the perspective view and answer this. See? And like this. Now if I have to do this TV unit, go for front view, go for wireframe. If you have to do this box, select this. Now if you have to find any sizes of this, go for this, create, go for this helpers, and can you see here tape, select that. Now on the snap and measure this, you will get the length here. You will check, you get the length here. So now again go for geometry, go for front. Now you will select this, right click, you will isolate this. So once you isolate, you get only this wall elevation. So now you can draw however it is there. So now how we can do is, you can do it in two ways. One is drawing line, you can make this, or else create a box only for this and make the units, The rest you can draw it in the line. So now I will show you how. You will take a box, you will only snap, and you will draw a box. Now go for modify height, that is nothing but depth, you will give it as 1 feet 4. Now if you have to make this slice, so now we will right click, we will convert it to editable poly. Now go for vertex, select the size plane. Now an angle snap, you will rotate this, and you on the snap bring this up here. So once you get that, you slice it there. Again you get this here, you slice it. Now you get this here, you slice it. Again you get this plane here, you slice it. Now you will rotate this, you will slice this. Now you will move this here, slice it, and then slice this. So once after all this, go for polygon, you will select these faces. Now go for perspective mode and extrude. You will give this value as -1 feet 3, and then click on this mark and go for shaded mode. See, now you get this depth of it. Now if you have to do the dough for this, now if you have to do this, now go for polygon, select this faces, holding control, you will select all these faces. Okay, and then go for insert, make it as 0.5, and then say OK, and then go for extrude, you will extrude it for 1 inch, and then say OK. Come out of this polygon. Now you see, I will show you that. Yup, you got it. Now again, same for this. Select this polygon, select all this. First insert, yup, next extrude. Now you got this. Now your unit is ready. Now once after that, right click and isolate, go for top view, go for wireframe, bring this up in front. With this front. Now if you have to reduce the size, you select all this, move this behind. Now go for this, now go for polygon, select this, one more inch, and say OK. Now choose, yeah, I got this now. So now go for front view. Now we need to do this part. So now select this, right click, you will isolate, go for shapes, take a line on the snap first. Yup, so yes, now go for modify, extrude, 1 feet 4. Now you'll off the snap. Same thing I have to do here. Go for tools, go for mirror, and select whichever axis you want. Yup, and say instance, say OK. Now drop this up. Select this, right click, and isolate, go for top, bring this up in front. Now go for a perspective view, See, your unit is ready. Now, after all this, we'll select this. Now, we'll place the components first. These components. For that, we'll go for just drag this, drop it. Now you rotate this, take a R, you scale this down. You move this one side, go for front, bring this up down. You will place it exactly on the plane. Now go for top, drop it here. Now after all this, you need to do the ceiling. You select this, right click and isolate, take a line on the snap, and say yes. Now go for modify, select this, delete this vertex. Now select this vertex of this map, align it properly to that wall. Now once after that, you come out of the vertex, take it straight. This you will give it for 6, and on height you will make it for 10 feet. Right click and isolate. So now see the roof slab is ready. So now once after all this, now you can see the projections here. You will see the column projections. Right. Now go for you will select this wall elevation, right click, you will isolate this. Now you will take a box and you will draw a box. Go for modify, this will be 2 inches. Right click and isolate. This whole projection is till this kitchen wall. So now if you have to make that, right click, you will convert to poly. Now we will go for vertex, select this of the snap, move this up till this edge. Now after that, come out of this, you will move this on the front. Okay. After all this, we'll apply materials now. You will select this wall, you will select this ceiling or roof, whatever it is. Excuse me. And once after all these wall selections, go for material, M is the shortcut. You will select this first lot, arc and design. If you come down, you will find something called as wall paint. Go for matte. Here you can put ivory or light beige. Show it, assign this. Once after that, go for top. Now you will select the windows and doors. Okay, now go for perspective view, material, Second slot, Arcan design. We will go for again Arcan design. Okay, now click on this box, go for bitmap, go for wherever you have saved your materials, you can browse there. Select this, show open, go back, show and assign. So this we will keep it as 0.25, 0.45 and 0.25, or else you can increase if you want more. Once after that you will assign that, you will close this. Now come for shaded mode. So now you will select this, right click and go to poly. Now you will go for element, you will choose this up, go for material, third slot, Arcan design, last in geometry, show it, assign it, close this up, and off this polygon. Now if you have to do the texturing for this, select that, modifier list, view map, select this, of this real world map size and go for box. Now you will reduce only the width, nothing else. Once after this, now go for top, so F3, now go for create, take a cameras, target. Now you will place your camera exactly like this. Okay, now go for modify, click it in the center, and Z axis you will give the value as 4 feet. Now select the camera, type C, and now say F3, come for 24, you will see the entire view of it. Yep, now you see the entire view of it. Now if you have to apply any materials for this, now you will select this, go for material, fourth slot, Arcan design, go for Arcan design, click on this box, bitmap. Now you can choose any layers you want if you want. But assign this, open, go back, show it, assign it. Now you can reduce the reflectivity and glossiness. Okay, now once after that, if you have to see the texture of it, means the embossed texture of it, right click, take a copy, come down, there is something called special purpose map, and none, you will right click, paste instance, this you will keep it for 0.75. Once after that, close this up, go for modifier list, UV map, box, you will keep this down. Now you will reduce the width and you will reduce the height. This is visually how much ever you want, you will do that much. Yeah. Once after that, if you are seeing the style kind of stuff, go for material, now click on this, go for view image. Now you can see this. If you want, you can crop this wherever you want. You want only so much, you can do only so much. And then close this up, say apply. So now you can see the changes. Now again you can for this, for material, Arcan design, again Arcan design, click on this color, you can choose any color you want, show it as I this. So now close this up, select this stuff. Now if you want to make a contrast color, go for material, select this Arcan design, go for Arcan design, select this bitmap, and here you can choose any contrast color to that. Select this, open, go back, show it as an it. Here you will reduce the reflectivity and glossiness. Yup. Once after that, click on this. If you have to give any different shade color, you will go for polygon, choose those stuff, holding control you will choose. Now getting it? Now go for material, select this, assign this up. Now close this up. You have to apply for these boxes. We'll select, go for material, we'll assign this up. Close this up, come out of the polygon. So now we'll go for modifier list, new map, go for box, real one map size. You can apply for at a time one shot. New map, go for box, go for this map. You can reduce. See, now we can see this. If you want, put the same color. Now, if you have to change this laminate, go for material, click on this bitmap, bitmap, bitmap. So now, that's how you apply materials. So once after all this, go for camera view, select this, go for material, to slot, solid, Arcan design, go for this, go for bitmap. Alright, show it as on this. Now, if you have to draw a skirting for this, go for top view, go for wireframe. Select the plan, right click, isolate the selection, go for shapes, take a line. Now, draw a line. or else you can draw it in one shot. Yeah. Now if you have to delete all those lines, go for modify, select the segment, select it, delete this, delete this, delete this. Simple. So once after that, come out of the segment, rendering, enable and render, enable in viewport, rectangular. You will give this for 4 inches. Now go for front view. This is actually below. And Z axis, you will go for 2 inches. Right click and isolate. Now go for perspective view. Holding control. I'll apply for both. Same material. Now go for camera view. Take a UV map. Go for box. You will off this up. This you will keep it for 5 feet. 5 feet. And this you will keep it for 4 inches. Done. Now go for perspective view. Cancel this. See? Now if you are seeing this partition, if you have to come out of this partitions, so now go for material, select this material, view image. Now just bring this down. Close, apply, go back, close this up. Now go for top view, wireframe, select this camera and on y-axis you will bring quite behind and then go for camera view and see. Yeah. Now if you have to do a TV, go for front, wireframe mode, select this, right click, isolate. Now go for geometry, external primitives, chamfer box. You will on the snap, you will draw a chamfer box, go for modify, height, you will keep it for 2 inches, fill it 1 inch. Now right click, you will go for editable poly, go for polygon, choose this, insert 1 inch, extrude minus 1 inch. Now say OK. Now come out of this polygon, go for top, right click and isolate off the snap. ನಾನು ಏನೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ. You bring this on top view and go for left view, jump this up. You will see too many lines. Don't get confused, you need to place it properly. As simple as that. Same top view, you need to place it really properly. So once after that, if you want to reduce the thickness of it, you go for camera view, see. Yep. Now if you have to apply any scene for this, before that go for this, you need to assign metallic paint for it. Any paint you want, you can apply. So assign it. Now if you have to apply any image, select that polygon, go for material, Autodesk Polypaint, arc and design. Now you will click on this bitmap. Now if you want, select this, so open, show and assign this. Now mark this, just say UV map, box, just mark this. See, answer this. You want, you can increase the height if you want. Yup. So now, once after all this, we will go for lightings. Now go for top view, wireframer. If you have to do any lightings for this, go for create, go for shapes, take a rectangle, draw a rectangle first. Now go for modify, enable in window. Before this, you will give the sizes. This you will keep it for 1 feet 2, and this you will keep it for 6. After that, go for rendering, rectangular, enable in render, enable in viewport. This you will keep it for 1 and even 1. So now your rectangle is like this. Now if you have to increase, you can increase this size. Now after that, go for front, bring this up near to the slab, okay, roof bottom. Now go for top, bring this up exactly here. Right click on this, from y axis, 1 foot you will move ahead. Now once after that, go for standard, take a tube, now draw a tube. Yup. And once after that, go for modify. This you will keep it as 2.5 or 2.6. Height 1 inch. Sides you will keep it for 40. Once after that, just move this, touch it to the pen. Okay, now shift. If you want, you can reduce this. Can bring this front also to orange. Now once after that, select this, right click, editable spline. Go for this segment, select this, move this inside. Should get touched to that circle. Now select these two tubes, go for front and bring this up. Once after that, you can apply same color whatever you have applied for TV floor. So now once after that, if you have to make this one single element, select this, go for create, compound objects, say connect, pick orphan, you will select this, again pick orphan, you will select this. Now go first and see, it's get connected now. So now go for tools, go for array, and array you will give y-axis as 3 feet and this you will keep it as 3. Take a preview and then say OK. And now once after that, select this, hold shift, click and drag. You will take one more copy or instance here. Yep. Now once after that, now you will select all this, you will take a rotate. Now you will rotate this. If you want, you can take an instance. Now you get this up exactly here. Yep. Lighting depends on your interiors, how you are making it presentable. So here there is no exact planning for lighting, so I am giving so much of lights. If not, you can select each one of them and you can delete if you want. Yep. So once after that, if you want, you can delete or else you can keep it. Hello. क्या बनाला याद बनाला हाँ
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಗ್ಲು ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು
It comes in your budget, आराम से बरता without any doubt.